Hey everyone, here is my stand-up desk that I have now for over 2 years and it's still going strong and I still love it. Let's take a closer look. This is what it looks like in my home office. Nice white legs that I love in this room and a black top. Enough room to organize everything and put everything I need here. This is the view from the back. I use one leg to keep all my cables right here. It's a lot of cables, but they're not visible under the desk. If I want to move it up, I can do it easily with this button. It moves quietly. I'm 5 feet 9 inches tall, and as you can see, this desk even higher than I need. It can go up, all the way up, until it's too much. So for myself, I definitely don't use it that high. Just move it to a comfortable level. And now I can do my work. When I'm tired sitting, I can spend some time working like this, just using all benefits of this stand-up desk. Highly recommend it if you're looking for something to organize your workplace at home or in the office. You could definitely give this desk a try. Thanks for watching.